Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing. I finally got a pair of Sony's new WH-1000XM4s. This is a successor to the M3s, which I've been using as my main active noise cancelling wireless headphones for a couple of years or so now, for flying and around the house and everything. So I'm excited to have the new model, which has a number of improvements. And I want to quickly unbox it for you. This is what it looks like in the box. As you can see, it's a pretty big box. And yeah, there's a whole bunch of new things here. Overall, it's just a minor revision in many ways from the M3. So the M4s just add a few things and not too much, but let's open it up, shall we? Ta-da, ta-da! Here we go. Ooh, yeah. So we've got, tells you here what to do. It's pretty straightforward. You basically just have to pull this out. Everything is in here. There's a little manual here and stuff as well. I'm just gonna quickly show you through that. So you get 360 audio free trial. That's Sony's immersive audio thing. And then we get some manuals obviously here. So see if I can get this out. So limited warranty and stuff. We've got, you know, how to use the app. And I guess, you know, not quite sure whether there's two different things here, but you can see it's typical Sony. There's a lot of really big things. I'm not going to get into detail with it. So yeah, I'm not sure what the difference is between this and the other, but there you go. That's it in terms of paperwork. So let's have a look at this real quick. So the way this works is you just open it up like that, and typically the headphones are folded like this, and then you've got all the accessories in here. You've got a charging cable. It's USB Type-C to Type-A. No chargers in the box. It supports fast charging, which is nice. Has a 30-hour battery life with ANC and Bluetooth, of course. You can also connect them by wired headphones. You get a 3.5 to 3.5 L-shaped cable, and you also get the old school adapter for using on some airplanes. Stereo 3.5 to 2 mono 3.5. And then here are the headphones themselves, and they come, as you can see, there's a little paper thing you can remove, but this case is not too big and pretty strong. So also has a nice little pocket here for putting some additional things like the cables. So the headphones kind of unfold like that, and you can do that on both sides. You can store them any way you want. There is the left and right icons in here. Right is red, left is white, so this is how you're going to wear them. And the big difference this year with this model, as you can see in here, there is a sensor that detects that you've put the headphones on and taken them off, so it pauses the music automatically, which is cool. This did not exist. So they made some improvements all over the place. Slightly different headband and construction, but overall aesthetically, if you put them side by side, they look very similar. You got USB Type-C port here, you got the headphone jack input here, and then you get a power button, and of course the noise cancelling button. But most of the action happens on the right side here, where you have a whole bunch of touch settings for volume, next track, double tap to play and all that. You can cup the ear cup like this for audio pass-through. So if you're on a plane and you want to hear the pilot talking because they're announcing some change to your flight, just cup your hand over the ear and all of a sudden you can hear everything, like the microphones are turned on and passes through. The improvements they've made other than the wear sensor here is that you can pair multiple devices and much better call quality. One of the things about the M3s that wasn't that great, they weren't really good for taking phone calls, and apparently that's been improved. Sound quality's been improved, noise cancelling's been improved. Everything's slightly better. $250. Honestly, I think these are incredible headphones to have. They're some of the best sounding headphones, no matter what. And on top of that, they're active noise cancelling, Bluetooth, and best of the best. I mean, this blows away, in my opinion, anything Bose makes. So yeah, that's it, folks. These are the Sony WH-1000XM4, and yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Would you upgrade from the M3s? I don't think it's worth it personally because the M3s are so good already, but let me know in the comments what you think. And if not, would you buy these if you're just looking for a brand new pair of active noise cancelling wireless headphones that's really high quality? Subscribe, like, click the notification bell. And stay tuned, I'll have more videos soon. Remember, this is a compliment to my podcast, Mobile Tech Podcast at mobiletechpodcast.com. So please subscribe to the show. We're on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Pocket Casts, Spotify, pretty much everywhere good podcasts are found. So join me there to find out what I think. And until then, cheers, everybody.